same thing in one case. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ
I just wanted us to have a stakeholder meeting. We met with the police, the sugar industry stakeholders met with the police 2 weeks ago, and it was a very good meeting. We generally discussed in that meeting about what we can do to curtail the instances of uncontrolled fires, the lighting of uncontrolled fires and the consequent damages those fires do, either it is whether it is intentional or arson. The issue at heart was that this is a national issue of national interest. That's why I wanted the media to come as well, so that you can work with us in this campaign. As we approach the drier months, and it is more prevalent in the drier months, it's not only the work of the police, it is the work of everybody to see that the instances of uncontrolled fires is curtailed, so that the lush environment we have, the good soils we have, and the vegetation we have, the crops we have, and the future we have doesn't get damaged by these unnecessary fires which people light. It is of particular interest at this time for the sugar industry, as we have a lot of farms which get destroyed by fire, and those fires ought not to have been lit, or ought not to have been there. And once they happen, of course, reports get lost, and it is already too late. You can't unwind the damage, and it's also very difficult in many cases to apprehend those who may be responsible, because many of these happens at night or at times where people are not seen. So we are thankful for the Assistant Commissioner of Police, Mr. Tunravu, to be here this afternoon. The Commissioner of Police took very keen interest in this, and he sent in his top team to meet us in Lautoka. So at that meeting, we decided that there's a need for a broader stakeholder meeting involving Ministry of Rural Development, Agriculture, Environment, Information, as well as the police, and of course Ministry of Sugar. And that's what brings us here.